Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of creating a master page and additional standard pages for an application in Devum. This tutorial covers creating a new master page, adding navigation pages, inserting the app logo, and customizing the master page's color and appearance. Upon reaching the Devum landing page, the initial step is to click on the new master page icon located in the top right corner. Subsequently, the pop-up is filled with the name of the page, followed by adding a description and then saving the master page. To initiate the creation of new pages, click on the New Page icon positioned near the New Master Page icon in the top right corner of the interface. During this demonstration, we will be generating 3 child pages. First, we are making a page titled Leave Dashboard. It is important to designate the appropriate master page for each page when providing names in the pop-up window. For this example, we will assign the HR master as the master page for these pages. Then we will create 2 other pages, Naked Leave Calendar and Leave Approval, in the same process. For both of them, we will designate HR Master as the master page, as shown here. To begin customizations, we navigate to the App Studio and choose the HR Master page for customization through the Properties panel. Starting with the selection of an icon for the master page, we opt for the Reactor logo, which has been previously uploaded to the resource library. Following that, we proceed to replace the Reactor logo with the Devum logo using the same method. Following that, we uploaded the minified icon to enhance the aesthetic appeal. At this stage, we chose a specific logo that had been previously uploaded to the resource library. Subsequently, we are swapping out the uploaded logo with our Devum minified logo for further customization. Let's follow for better clarity. Additional modifications to the page's background color can be implemented by selecting a color from the color palette or entering specific hex codes. By hovering over the color palette, we can opt for various shades to suit our preferences. There is a wide range of color options available to meet our needs. This customization can be applied to both the top and side panels of the page. We proceed to customize the color of the menu icon following a similar approach. To tailor the overall layout, we first identify the specific container within the outline that requires customization. Then, from the Properties panel, we select the desired color to apply. An array of customization possibilities, including highlight color, hover form color, menu icon color, and others, can be individually personalized from an extensive selection of color options to match our preferences. To achieve a precise visual appearance, we carefully choose a particular hex code that aligns with our specific requirements. Furthermore, we have the option to enrich the user profile by clicking on User Profile and accessing the Properties panel for more extensive modifications. We can customize the color format of the user profile by selecting a color of our preference. Ultimately, we apply all the modifications and publish them to make them take effect. Thank you for watching.